Hey family, how y'all doing today? I pray that you all are doing well. So today I'm going to be doing a perm rod set on natural hair, and as you can see from the pictures, my hair is a little dry and it is in need of some tender love and care, okay? Some TLC. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and let's get to it. Well, I've already shampooed and deep conditioned my hair, so it is wet, but not soaking wet. 5 sections. Right here, I'm going to be using these purple perm rods. So right here, I'm just combing the product through to distribute the product evenly, and then I'm going to start rolling. I'm gathering the hair at the very ends of my hair, and I'm getting those smooth on the rod, and then I'm just rolling up to my scalp. I'm snapping the roller, and I'm being very careful to snap the band on the side that's closest to my scalp, so that it'll hold the rod in place so that it does not move when I let my hand go. You see how it's flat at my scalp, so that's exactly what I mean. You want it to position the band where it's going to be laying up against your scalp and secure the band on the opposite side that I rolled it. I'm just going to proceed to do the rest of the sections in the back the exact same way, nothing different. I'm just going to detangle each section if I need to, and then I'm going to apply the product, and I'm going to proceed smoothing the ends of my hair around the rod, and then I'm going to roll up to my scalp. So I'm back, and I have rolled all of the back and some of the side. Right here you see I have some of the smaller rods, because that's where, from my hair transplant, the length of the hair, I felt it would be best. Front, same thing as I said in the back. I want to gather my hair around the rod and smooth my ends around it first, and then I'm gonna roll my hair up towards my scalp. And once I get to the hair at my scalp, I'm going to position my band. As you can see here, I'm going to position my band on the opposite side that I rolled it, because that's what's going to keep it taut. Not tight, but taut, because I don't want to be pulling my hair, but that's what's going to keep it to stay at my scalp, by positioning that band on the opposite side that I rolled. And I'm just going to keep rolling and keep smoothing my hair around the rod as smooth as possible until I get all the rods done. All the rods are in. I'm going to go and get under the dryer, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. That dryer was hot, but I think my hair is all the way dry. I went ahead and took about 3 or 4 of them out. Some in the back right here, just to check and see if it was dry. Going to gently separate each piece wherever I had a rod. Each section I'm probably going to do anywhere from 4 to 5 separations, so that I can get a little more volume. Girl, look at that shine. Yes, my hair looking good, because it was looking dusty. Okay, are my finished result. And remember right here, the hair that you see at the front, I did not want to pull that hair
because I do not want to be pulling on my freshly transplanted hair, because ain't nobody got time for no more bald edges. If you enjoyed this demo, give your girl a little thumbs up, you know, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. God bless you and have an awesome day.